Yeah, I think we're really excited. We haven't been together for a while now, and we've come in, and we always enjoy being together, and looking forward to the next campaign. So this is really good, really important for us, and we're really excited. We're going to have to look past the Euros now due to the fact that we can't qualify, and look to the next campaign. And those young girls are going to be huge players for that campaign. So this is why these games are so important. Not just for them, but for the whole group, because you have to get used to them, and they have to get used to the standard that we want, the way Jane wants us to play. So, friendlies are always important, but the result is not what the main thing is. It's about what we get out of it, and hopefully we can get good things out of this on Friday. You just enjoy yourself, and I think that's what they're doing right now. They just enjoy being here, and we enjoy having them here.
And what's the team spirit like on camp from their end?
Yeah, it's good. It's always good. We've got a good bunch of girls, and good personalities, and it's always a good camp. It's always fun. So yeah, like I said, we just enjoy being around each other right now, and hopefully on Friday we get a result that we want.